deep sleep is not a state that we enter. It is just the natural condition of being prior to the arising of experience. So deep sleep is the natural condition of being, which is present all the time. Our being now is in the same condition that it is in when we're deeply asleep. When thoughts and images arise in being, we call it the dream state. When sensations and perceptions are added to thoughts and images, we call it the waking state. But being always remains the same. Then when the sensations and perceptions vanish, leaving only thoughts and images, we call it the dream state. Then when thoughts and images vanish, we call it the deep sleep state. The deep sleep state is only a state in reference to these other two states. But from its own point of view, it is not a state. It is just its eternal condition. It's only a state in reference to waking and dreaming. But from its own experience, it is not a state. It is just the eternal nature of being. And being is in, right now, our being is in the same condition that it is in when we are deeply asleep, only now it is colored by thoughts, images, sensations, and perceptions. And when we're deeply asleep, it's no longer colored. That's why it's peaceful. But actually, our being now is what we call deeply asleep. It is, and that's what it means to remain. To be deeply asleep whilst remaining awake. It means to remain as being. It's the practice of the presence of God. Or to pray without ceasing. It means to remain as being in the midst of experience or in the absence of experience.